Magandang hapon po ng May 19, 2026 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 19, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, May 19, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 19, 2026 Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, May 19, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 19, 2026 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.